I tried the Sigma BF camera everyone is talking about. It's truly stunning, but has one fundamental flaw. I had a brief play with the Sigma BF camera at the photography show in London this week, and I can tell you that it's worth the hype. If Apple made a camera, it'd be the Sigma BF, says the Waveform podcast, as Marcus Brownlee discusses Sigma's full-frame camera that's unlike any other. Clean lines, a chassis made from a single piece of aluminum, tactile controls. The BF's design hits you. Yes, this is the most memorable camera that I've held for quite some time. The Sigma BF is polarizing opinions, however. It seems that a camera can't be beautiful and practical. Well, newsflash for the naysayers, a camera doesn't have to be everything to everyone. I'm already a Sigma BF fan, but would I put my money where my mouth is? I'm not so sure. Yes, I'm an admirer, especially after experiencing the BF in the flesh. And the features this minimalist camera lacks are forgivable, even if unfortunate. However, I now think the BF's design philosophy is screaming out for it to be an altogether different category of camera. It's not me, it's you. I wrote about the Sigma BF when it was first announced ahead of CP Plus in Japan in late February, labeling it a boldly minimalist full-frame camera that looks as beautiful as it does impractical. After a quick hands-on, those words stand true. The BF really is a stunning camera. If you appreciate design, the BF is a winner, as are its simple stripped-back menus. If you value functionality, however, look away. My first reaction was that this everyday camera needs a viewfinder and/or tilt touchscreen. Sadly, it has neither. After an actual hands-on with the BF, however, I think there's a core design aspect beyond displays that's, well, enough flawed. Fundamentally, I think the Sigma BF's design philosophy is screaming out for a built-in fixed lens. A premium compact, if you will, much like the Fujifilm X100 VI. The BF is, instead, a mirrorless camera with L-mount, meaning you can swap lenses. Trouble is, I can't see myself changing lenses all that often, if ever. No, I'd stick on the smallest prime lens Sigma sells on the BF, which in the I series of contemporary lenses is currently the 45mm f2.8, picture above, and that would be that. Rather than giving users the ability to swap lenses, Sigma should have engineered a fast aperture prime lens, fixed and fine-tuned to the BF, like Sony did with a 35mm f/eve2 lens for its RX1 series of premium compacts, and to make that lens as small as possible. To be fair to Sigma, it has lovely contemporary L-mount lenses that are a design match, including new I-series silver versions for the silver BF. Size-wise, however, anything other than a slim prime throws balance. My opinions could change following more time with the camera. I'm due to get a BF review sample from Sigma really soon, and honestly, I can't wait. Stay tuned for my full verdict.